Title: The Laziest Ways to Make Money Online as a Teenager. Everyone says you have to work hard to make money. But what if they're wrong? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the laziest ways for a teenager to actually make money online, literally without leaving your bed. We'll even expose the popular, lazy methods that are a total waste of time. And the last method? It's easily the smartest way to start earning real cash today. Let's be real for a second. You're a teenager. Between school, homework, and trying to have a social life, you don't have the time or energy to build a whole business. But you still want your own money. The internet is flooded with gurus screaming at you to hustle 24/7, but I'm here to tell you that's not the only path. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find the absolute laziest, most minimum effort ways to get cash in your pocket. I'm going to rank them from the popular but pointless to the truly passive gems. Let's get into it. Alright, let's kick things off with the one you've definitely heard of: online surveys. You've seen the ads for Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and others, promising cash just for your opinion. Sounds like a dream, right? Kick back, click some buttons, get paid. But here's the reality check. While you can make money, the earnings are painfully low. You'll spend most of your time getting screened out of surveys you don't qualify for, and the ones you do complete might pay you $1 for 20 minutes of your life. It's okay for grabbing a little pocket change if you're monumentally bored, but if you want to buy those new sneakers, this ain't it. Don't waste your energy. Okay, moving up the ladder of laziness, we've got micro-task and reward apps. Think of sites like FreeCash or Amazon Mechanical Turk. These platforms pay you for doing mind-numbingly simple tasks, like watching a short ad, trying an app for 2 minutes, or giving a thumbs up to a song. The payout for each task is tiny, but so is the effort. This is the definition of something you can do while binge-watching a new series or waiting for your ride. It's a clear step up from surveys because the tasks are faster and you aren't constantly getting disqualified. You won't get rich, but some users pull in around $50 a month without breaking a sweat, which is a pretty nice and lazy income boost. Just a quick heads up. Some platforms like Mechanical Turk technically require you to be 18, so you might need a parent's help to get set up. Now we're talking. The third lazy way to make money is by selling digital products, and this is where that magical phrase, passive income, comes into play. You create something just one time asterisk, and you can sell it over and over again, even while you're sleeping. Think about designing simple printable planners, digital art, or custom social media templates using a free tool like Canva. Then, you can list them for sale on a marketplace like Etsy, which has millions of buyers ready to shop. Once your digital product is up, the sales can just roll in automatically. It takes some work to design the product up front, but after that, it's almost completely hands-off. Another spin on this is print on demand, where you just upload a cool design for a t-shirt or a phone case, and a different company handles all the printing and shipping. You just collect a cut of the profit. Alright, before I drop the number 1, ultimate laziest way to start banking cash online, do me a solid. If you're getting any value out of this, hit that like button and subscribe. It's free, it takes 2 seconds, and it tells me you want more videos like this to help you get paid. Go ahead, I'll wait. Okay, ready for it? The laziest, and honestly, the most profitable way for a teenager to make money online is affiliate marketing. It sounds way more complicated than it is. Basically, you get a special link for a product or service, and every time someone buys something through your link, you earn a commission. The genius of this is you don't have to create anything, manage inventory, or deal with a single customer. You just share a link. You can do this on TikTok, Instagram, or whatever platform you're already on. Find products you actually use and like, gaming gear, clothes, apps, whatever, and see if they have an affiliate program. Amazon Associates is a massive and easy one to start with. A quick note, some programs, including Amazon's, require you to be 18 or sign up with a parent's permission to get paid. Once you're in, you just drop your affiliate links in your bio or mention them in your videos. A ton of your favorite creators are already doing this. It's how they monetize their content, making it the perfect lazy side hustle with the potential to earn you serious money. So there you have it. You don't need to rise and grind to make money. While online surveys are mostly a trap, you can easily earn cash with micro-task apps, build a real passive income stream with digital products, or go for the ultimate lazy win with affiliate marketing. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Now I want to hear from you. What's the laziest way you've ever made money? Drop it in the comments below, let's share some ideas. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.